If you want more active days with your dog or your cat, in our case, our cat, actually cats, because we have 4 cats at home. In this case, actually, we have 5, but ours, we have 4 cats at home, and having the chance to replace the kind of like their treats, their chewable treats that they weren't kind of like taking anymore was a really good thing. So we have 4 cats, and 2 of them are kind of senior at the moment, and one of them, so this is Evie, and she has the color right here. She has so much hair, I don't know if you can actually see it, but I have another video of us putting the color to her, and she's really nice with that. But having the chance to replace the treats and the chewable treats with this, with a color that for 30 days, it kind of like release the ingredients they need for their hip problems, their joint problems, their limping problems, because that was the problem that we were having with Evie and with Minnie. Minnie is more senior, she's kind of like almost 10 already, and she was like limping. So we tried this, that they sent, the brand actually sent this for us to review and for try it. And for the past few days, we've been trying it and it works. Number one, it replaced the treats, the chewable treats that are made for the same thing. It replaced that in a really good way. And also what happened is that they were actually, with this, they were actually going for the treats. Then, like before this, they didn't want to take the treats anymore. But with this, it actually works in that way much better. They actually went for the treats. Let me actually show you how we use this on Minnie, and then we're going to show this to you on a close-up with the box as well. And for sure, Evie really likes it. So you saw how easy it is to use. You can adjust the color. Evie has lots of fur, but trust me, it's super easy to use. And you can see some of the actual features and some of the benefits. For sure, it's like a 30-day, effective for 30 days. It is also water resistant and it's patented. This is actually the size. It's one size, but since it can be adjusted, that's a good thing about this one. And these are some of the ingredients that this actually will be releasing for those 30 days for the hip and joint mobility color. So again, if you're looking for a replacement on the trees, you're also looking for more active days with your dog or your cat, that they won't feel that necessity of actually laying down all the time, or just kind of like resting all the time, or being laid down on their pet beds or things like that, or your bed, because this will actually help them to feel that kind of like renewed energy again with the problems of the hip joint and things like that. I can say that it works for sure. It's been working with Evie, it's been working with Minnie as well, and for sure it could be working for your dog or cat as well. I hope this was helpful for you, and for sure I can vouch for it. Thumbs up, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.